The engine spent the 1980s on the Mid-Hants Watercress line, where for one brief event it was paired with another locomotive from the same designer, Dougal Drummond, a tank locomotive of the M7 class, also now in the care of the NRM. The Greyhound is the only survivor of 66 T9 class engines and a further 40 developments of it and 80 smaller mixed traffic variants. Although the T9s were the first of the line, they were the most effective, and this was borne out by their survival to the 1960s, whilst the others all went in the 1940s and 50s. This particular engine was built in 1899. It was hardly ideal to work over the steeply graded Mid-Hants line, which is why it later went to Swanage. The M7 is one of two survivors of the class of 105 of the final suburban tank engine designed for the LSWR. After their original duties were electrified, they migrated to country branches to work short passenger trains operated on the push-pull principle. For many years they dominated the Mid-Hants line in its pre-preservation days, and here we see 30379 engaged in those duties. Curiously, they continued to have duties in the London suburban area, as they were employed to take coaches from the maintenance depot at Clapham Junction to Waterloo right up until the early 1960s, when they were replaced by British Railways' own standard tank engines. Drummond was something of a pioneer in standardization.